Armrest locking kits are supplied in pairs, one for each arm. Holding the arm up, insert the spring from the inside of the armrest into the smaller hole at the base of the armrest. Pass the bolt through from the outside of the armrest through the ring in the spring. Take the lock and carefully hook the spring over the top of the lever, and position the lever over the threaded end of the retaining bolt, and secure with a nut. Tighten appropriately until the bolt stops turning, and then back off about one turn to allow the lever to move freely. The arm now locks in the down position. The process can now be repeated for the other arm. Check the tension of the locking levers and ensure that the locks are effective.